Motos, Cades, and Coffee. Unboxing.
Oh, hey guys, it's Andy from Motos, Cades, and Coffee. What am I doing in this hammock? Well, we're here to talk about shoes. But not these shoes. These shoes. More specifically, motorcycle shoes. Casual motorcycle shoes. You see, I have a very limited supply of casual motorcycle shoes. My go-to have been my Vans. They don't make these ones anymore. I love these ones, they're very casual. They have a toe protector and they're all weather. I even bought an extra pair. I even bought white ones, but as you know, the white ones will get a lot of wear from the shifter toe protector. So I don't wear these when I ride motorcycle, even though I think they're pretty rad. And I do have a leather pair with a zip up side, but same thing. Toe gets worn out pretty good. So I just bought my first pair of casual motorcycle shoes. We're gonna do an unboxing on it today. So I went on Revzilla.com, Hatesburg, and I bought me a pair of Reax Fulton air riding shoes. So we're gonna unbox these. I'll show you why I got them and why I picked these ones. All right, so let's unbox these bad boys right here. See what we got. They're $149, free shipping. Took about a week to get here. All right. See what we got. There's the box. $1.49. Whoops. There we go. Anyway, that's the box. Let's open them up and see what they look like. All right, I don't think these will ever more. They're size 11. All right. All right, so there they are. I wanted something black, mostly black, with a toe protector, which we have. And I can tell you right now that these ones are much more solid. They have heel protector, and it's a much more solid shoe than my Vans or my other riding shoes that I have adopted for riding shoes. So let's put these on, and I'll tell you all about them. Get a quick 360, maybe. And that's all that's in this box is shoes and wrapping paper. Got my Broncos socks on. Now you know my sports team's affiliation. All right, let's put these on. Oh, I love when there's a tongue loop to pull, and there is right here. Very stiff, makes it a little harder to get on right off the bat. One. All right. They feel perfectly sized, but very perfectly sized. They fit very similar to my Vans do as far as how they feel on the foot. A lot of comfort, a lot of room, a lot of toe room, but not loose. I'm hoping the black will camouflage scuffs and getting dirty, especially on the toe shifter. They feel pretty good. Right off the bat, the comfort is very, very nice. Pant length feels really good on them. All right, so these are the shoes. You can see the profile on the pant leg. They're very, very comfy. The fact that the motorcycle shoes, you can't really tell. They're not the most rad looking shoes like my Vans are, I think, but they're very comfy and they're protective. So this is what they look like profile wise. And you can kind of get a little closer how they look on the cuff there. All right, more importantly, these guys passed the hammock test. Yeah, they are comfy. All right, so thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, And let me know what questions you have on these Reax Air Fulton shoes.